Home Minister Govindas Kanthosam has denied claims by the Zomi Council regarding the creation of a district called Lamka District. Addressing a press meet at the Chief Minister's Secretariat today, the Home Minister termed the Kuki-Zo Council's claim baseless, clarifying that the government never gave approval to create Lamka District. He also appealed to the JSC formed in connection with the Tronglaubi incident to call off its ongoing 5-day total shutdown, asserting that the government is actively working to meet most of the 5-point charter of demands raised by the JSC. SKTV Chief Reporter Ketrim Premchand and video journalist Loya have a detailed report on this.
Mangal masamaksi akoina hai investigation si kadai yauna khumang sauna sangsillige haibadu khangnanabagi DSF ta nahangna leiriba post to adu ga equivalent oiba akoi state force ta suitable oiba post ama pinanaba tawge adugi mathakta leihidriba angang ani gi mama oiberiba sisu masamaksu nurse ni hai aduna mahakisu akoi sisida suitable post ama pirage mapanda na khoi amuk satpadu chatragasu aduga angang ani gi case NIA da sinari basisu magi progress isu haibet security forces ta leiraga di state kida amuke hena khangba ngangani haibagi sifawda khoi mangonda khoina haibani adu imung anung khanaru gi yena chatlaga smaina tawdana numit mangani amaga mu tongan ba group kharaga tawraga da JSC gi kangbu su phamada da yawi khoina uja matamda yariba punamak singsi tongan ba demand kharaga yawraga numit mangani ban korok pase khoi khwaidagi laibak thiba mani haidana ai thamjage hairiba numit mangani sida wagadori base nomagi chara tanjaba noma talaga wana koknaba honoriba mioi kaya da chauba chaitheng ama piba tang tare tagini aduga mahiroi sing sida achauba safu ama magi piba academic career si sista chauba disturbance ama piba sina koi hayeng future da achauba akaiba mala kadauba aduna asi punamak sing si yeng bira heraga sarkar sina lokhat chariba measure sing asi yeng bira heraga masi handok piyo haidana media gi through da appeal tawjari